here is the app working. First, I will show you that it's working. So I will use the beef patty and then cheese and add sauce. We'll play around with the radio button. So this is the user interface, and this is the code itself. And I really want to thank you for the help with this code from your GitHub. So I'm gonna walk you really fast through that. First, I want what I did is just reference the objects to the UI, and after that, I declared the variable, and then here initialize the object. Then after that, just register it. And here just get your friends and a simple display. And for the calculator itself, I made another class called a public class burger, and that's where I added the calories and more information about the patty and the information that will be used for calculation, as you see here. And this is the app, and this is the code. And for the third and last application will be the calculator. And let's see. Copy. You see it working. Great. All the buttons are working. So let me walk you through the application of the code itself. Same as the others, just the same idea, but more different a little bit. Here I used your code in GitHub as a reference, and I built up the app from that. As you see here, we have done. I've done what I've done in the application, on the burger application. I made a simple expression class for my math and calculations, adding the variables, do the clear operator, and then just do the mathematics here, and we recall it in the main code